Fish was right. I mean, ain't that something? Golly. I had to go and do that. Ow. There, first good one. In the rain, we might be taking a break here. Look at that fish, ate that though. That's what's up. Nice chunky one there. Not the biggest, but nice fish. So what you're seeing here is me getting back on the kayak after taking a little break from the rain. It was really starting to come down. I was checking my radar and I almost didn't think this trip was gonna happen. It was looking pretty stormy out there on my radar. And then out of the blue, the sky cleared in the west and we got back out there. Those conditions were optimal. We had dark cloud cover, we had chop, we had rain, we had a foot of clarity, and we had spawning bass. We had big fish up shallow that morning, and they stay shallow all morning when you have those conditions. So a lot of opportunity to catch big fish on this particular day. I'm really grateful the rain cleared out because it was a phenomenal day after the rain pushed through. We caught a huge bag of bass. So check it out. We're gonna show you guys some of these giant fish, and then we will talk more on the pattern. Super obvious, super easy pattern that just crushes big bass this time of year. Check out these big fish, and then we'll talk more about it. There it is. Don't shake it. Don't shake it. There she is. Another giant. There she is. Ah. There we go, folks. There's a big one again. Big fish of the day, giant bass. What a beaut. Get her back. Oh yeah, big bass day, folks. Yeah. Not the biggest ever, but definitely a beaut. Boy, that's a big fish. All right, folks, this is gonna be the last one of the day if I get it in. Come on. Boy, that's a big fish. Holy crap. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, stay here. That's a giant. That's a giant. Come here. Oh my God. Yes. Oh my God.
Okay, we're done. Oh my gosh, look at how that's hooked. Oh my god. Yes, that's a giant. That's a giant. That's a huge bass. Yes, we're going home. We're going home. We're ending on that one. God, I can't even lift it. It's so heavy. Yeah, that's the giant. That is a huge fish. Oh my goodness. What a way to end the day. I was like, man, if I can get this fish in, I'm done. Oh my gosh, look at that fish. That thing is huge. Huge. Goodbye. I'm going home. Wow. Oh. We've been sticking every single one. 100% hook sets on all the big ones today. Awesome. God damn, that's a big fish.
I was just not going to take that jig off. I love fishing jigs in heavy cover. The only thing I did maybe a little bit differently than what I normally do is I was running and gunning. I knew those fish were probably in a better mood than usual with those conditions, so I was not fishing as thoroughly as I normally do with a jig. I usually let those jigs get further down into the cover, but this time I was just tossing it to bank and kind of swimming it out of there. I cannot catch bigger fish than what I catch on jigs. They just do it for me. And I love how I don't lose them. They're not expensive. Jerk baits and other hard baits that are big bass catching baits, they're expensive. And if you lose one, you have to replace it, and that's gonna cost you $10, $15, $20 these days. So jigs are just so cheap, and you don't lose them easy, so you can really catch a lot of fish, a lot of big fish on a budget. So that's another reason why I love fishing jigs, because they're cheap and they catch giant fish. That's all I got for you guys. Take care, enjoy the warm weather and all the fishing that there is to come in 2026.